Taking a look at our 23-foot Manitou Encore. This boat is a gorgeous boat and it has all sorts of cool technology. The biggest feature of the Manitou boats is the hull configurations. It's called the V-Toon hull, and basically the center hull is larger and deeper than the side hulls. That makes it handle better in the corners as well as handle rough water better. That's a patented technology. Nobody else has that on their pontoon boats, and it really makes the Manitous far superior in handling. We do put them on sport boat trailers, which are trailers that are custom built for these boats, especially because of that V-Toon technology. But they're just beautiful trailers with 15-inch rims, so they got full-size rims, a nice hitch system, jack, and a really nice easy boarding ladder with a handrail. The fit and finish on the Manitou is second to none. They've been hand-built in Wisconsin for decades. It's just a great company to deal with, and they build beautiful boats. And of course, we put the Mercury motors on them. Mercury is #1 for a reason. We could have put any motor on these boats, but we chose to go with Mercury. This particular boat has a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor. They are extremely quiet, fuel efficient, and environmentally friendly. If you take a look at this from the back, you can see an even better view of the V-Toon technology. Look at how much lower and bigger that center tube is. The trailer does have LED lights. Nice swim ladder that drops down. Huge guideposts. These boats are probably the easiest boat trailer combination I've ever put on a boat on at the dock. You can just slide them right on there, slide them right off. So if you're new to boating, these pontoon boats, especially the Manitous on the sport boat trailers, is just an easy combination to use. So if you have any more questions, come on down to the store. We do take people out for demo rides, and we look forward to showing you more about these beautiful Manitou pontoon boats.